Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are, I understand that different expressions can represent the same situation. I can use variables, which are the letters like X and Y, in an expression to fit a general situation. And I can explain how to create an expression to fit a general situation. If you are in the meet like you should be, you're going to be doing this with a group. And there are 4 jobs for the 4 or 5 people in your group. One person is the recorder who will write down what your group says in the slideshow. They could also share their screen if they would like. Then there's the timekeeper who keeps track of the time. So if I say you have 15 minutes, they would let you know when you need to start wrapping things up. The reporter is going to share your slideshow to the class, and the questioner will ask your group questions and keep the discussion going. So they're the ones that make sure that you're answering what needs to be answered. The directions are determine your group roles, type in your team members' names, discuss and complete the slides together, and be ready to share to the class. If you are not in the meet, you will have to do this on your own. So here's where you would type your group members' names. If you do this on your own, you would just put your name. Then here's the first slide that you have to do. Work with your team to write a general set of directions in words that describe how to calculate the number of tiles in the frame of any square if you're given the side length. So if I give you the side length of, let's say, 10, how would you write directions on how to find how many tiles are in the full frame? You have written a set of directions for calculating the number of tiles in any square frame. How can you use numbers and symbols to shorten your directions? So with your team, find a way to shorten your set of directions by using a variable such as X to stand for the number of tiles in one side of the frame. In other words, rewrite your description from the previous slide using numbers and the letter X to represent the unknown side lengths.